here, as for this mattress, it is have customer logo, and this is we export to UK, so this is the UK FR level. This is green. This is green color. This is dark green. This is green. This is the
This is the cooling, blue cooling memory foam.
Yeah, this is a cooling gel memory foam, 2 cm and 80 cm of 30 density high density foam, and mix with cooling gel memory foam.
Yes, this is the cooling gel memory foam, and this is 15.
20. Yeah, it's 80 higher, and the density is 30 density.
Oh, okay. This is the
cooling gel memory foam is 50 density. So it's have a cooling feel. When you sleep on the mattress, you will feel cooling.
Yes, in summer you can feel very comfortable and very cooling.
And as for the cooling gel memory foam, it can adjust the heat according to the environment, also according to your body the temperature of your body.
Okay, you can see this is the logo. The logo. You can, if you want one container, we can use your logo on the mattress.
Yeah, it's very good looking. You also can have this logo.
Yes, this is the UKFR.
Yeah, you can make your logo over here is also. 这个面料。
Different you can see different zipper or the different color of the zipper. It has a different design. You can see it has the round, the 弧度
curve.
It has a curve.
The angle.
It is straight. The zipper it can be straight. And you can change the different color. This is this 这不是咱们那个无纺布是吧？不是咱们那个床的布。
This is a very soft feel of the fabric, not like another model we'll introduce. This is a liner fabric. Another model is liner fabric. This is like a vivid fabric. When you touch it, you feel very soft. This is good fabric.
就是比咱们普通的布要高2美金。对。
This is a good fabric. As for the bottom, you can see it's also anti-slippery bottom fabric.
Slippery. It has a small button to stop the mattress to move.
Yes.
这个布料的密度也好一些。Anti-slipper. You can see this anti-slipper fabric. It has the small button.
This metal bed we sell to Australian customers.